Gail from Our Space.
Hi, I'm Peggy from Our Space, and we have our special friend with us again today.
Hi everyone, I'm Callan.
What
All
are we
right.
making today?
We're making branch art, and here's a sample.
Ooh, pretty. And yours says believe.
Believe, right? So I wrote the word believe on it.
And here's mine, which I am keeping in a vase to be like sort of a flower.
That's so cool.
Thank you.
And this one's mine. I went with pipe cleaners and glitter.
Oh, pretty.
Nice, I like that.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
So before we get started, we'll do a breathing exercise to get us relaxed and ready. And today we thought we would do a tree breath. And so what you're going to do is you're going to breathe in like a tree. And then when you breathe out, you're going to take a moment and just pause as how a tree's branches would look. Okay? So we're going to go do it 2 times together. Ready? So breathe in. And breathe out like branches. Good. Breathe in. And breathe out.
I like that. You get to do a nice long breath with it.
Yes. Thank you.
What supplies do we need for today?
Okay, branch, markers, paint, and yarn or string. Optional are beads, feathers, buttons, and glue.
Great.
All right, I'm ready to start.
I'm ready to start too. So first step is you're going to need some sort of a branch. And this one, you don't have to paint them to do the craft, but this one, the one I did this morning, I painted white, and this one I pre-painted yellow. So do you all have a branch that you're going to use?
Branch.
Yep, I'm gonna add to the one I already did. So I had painted it different colors in different sections.
Oh, nice. And so for mine, all I did on mine is I made polka dots with the back of a paintbrush. And today I'm going to do probably some stripes maybe on my new one with a Sharpie. And then on this one too, all I did was just start tying strings in various, I like when they hang down and they're sort of messy. And so I'm going to do that with my new one.
Right, and I kind of did, I took some yarn that was all different colors and wound it around the branch in different spots and used some Sharpies and then wrote the word believe. So you can write things on it. You can do dots like Gail did. You can do many different things. And what I'm gonna do now is I have a bunch of little beads and big beads. And so I'm gonna string them on some wire and attach it to my branch.
Oh, that's a good idea. Ellen, what are you going to do for yours?
I think I'm going to paint mine and put some glitter on it.
Ooh.
Nice. And
right, you can do so many different things.
Really anything. You know, I'm just starting here. I'm just going to randomly tie things because I just like how it will look with the yellow.
Right, I like the idea of like having it hang.
Yeah, and then because when I'm done, I'm going to add this one to my vase, and then I'm going to keep making some and have like a full vase of these.
Yeah.
That's such a good idea.
Thank you.
Yeah, it looks nice to have a bunch together or a few together.
Yeah, I think so too.
I found this cute little like butterfly charm foam thing. I'm gonna
nice.
add that to it.
Nice. And I think with my Sharpie, maybe since I always do polka dots, even this morning, I think I'm going to try seeing what it would be like to draw some stripes on something. That's what I'm going to do. And really, like you were saying, anything can work on this, really anything.
Right, I had also gotten the same thing that you did, Callan, some pipe cleaners to twist around.
Yes, I like the pipe cleaners twisting around. It's fun and easy to do.
Yeah. So here I've started drawing some stripes.
Nice.
Thanks.
I think I'm gonna wrap a pipe cleaner around. And I think it's nice to leave some parts like with the bark on.
Yeah, I agree. I'm leaving all the bottoms of mine with the
Yeah.
bark so you can see it through the base.
Right, and the pipe cleaner is easy to wrap and stay.
Yeah,
And if you had trouble making something stay on, like if it was a thin yarn or something, you could always just use glue.
yes, true. While I'm tying mine, guess what?
You have a joke.
I do. Okay, I'm gonna try and remember it. What is a branch's favorite subject in school?
What is subject in school?
I'm gonna tell you.
Is it a hard one? I can't think.
It was me. This one's medium hard, so I'm gonna tell you. It is geometry. Geometry.
Oh,
Not thinking of that at all.
I don't think anybody would get that one.
Okay, good. Sometimes I like to give you jokes that are practically unsolvable. So when you retell it, they won't guess.
I like doing this. I haven't strung beads in a while.
Oh, that's so pretty,
Yes.
Peggy. That's so nice.
I think I'll keep going.
Yeah, I'm just now gonna try doing some, I don't know what it is, if you can see
I
that.
like that.
Thank you.
It's almost like a dream catcher too.
Yes, yes, it reminded me of something. I couldn't think of what.
And then you know what? You could stick some feathers in there.
It's such a good idea. How's yours coming, Kellen?
It's good. I'm trying to get the glitter on the branches instead of a skinny one. You can
Oh, that's so pretty.
have pipe cleaner.
Oh, I love it.
Wow, I love it. So Peggy, where are you gonna hang that off of which?
I'm just gonna tie it around the branch and just let it hang.
Oh,
But I think I'll hang it from up above.
nice.
But I'm gonna put a few more on and then see.
Yeah.
And I like the idea of putting it in a vase.
Mm-hmm.
If it's something that can withstand the weather, you could put it outside.
Yeah, I think if you use this kind of paint, I think would wash off, but if I put a little sealant on it or use an outside kind of paint, then, or no paint, then it would withstand the weather.
It's true.
So here's what mine is gonna look like. Starting to.
Nice. So I haven't tied it on yet, but that's
Nice,
how it's gonna be.
great. And you know what else I might do later? I just thought I might put some little lights. I have those little like,
Oh, yeah.
that would be,
Ooh.
I like that. Nice ideas.
thanks, I'm excited.
Yeah. So we hope you enjoyed our branch art and that you also try it.
Yes. And if you'd like to see more of our craft videos, you can go to our website at www.ourspacerocks.org. Happy crafting. Bye.
Bye. Have fun.